Hello everyone, welcome to the channel. So in this video I'm going to show you guys the daily puzzle for our spell wallet. Okay, so make sure you're actually going ahead to click on this claim just right here. Click on it and make sure you claim any single mana that you have there. Very important because this is actually going to be every 6 hours, I guess. Okay, so after you've done that, go back and just click on this padlock, yellow padlock icon with a green dot, meaning that there is a daily reward there. All right, so from here right now, just pay close attention, guys. I'm going to zoom my screen so that you guys can actually get to view this emoji very well. Doesn't matter what device you're using, it's just going to be the same emoji. All right, so the first emoji on our list here is going to be this I don't know what I can actually call this, but it's like a glass cone or something. Okay, just click on it. That's the first one. The second one on our list is going to be thunderbolt or lightning bolt. Click on it. The third one on our list is going to be star, this star just right here. Click on that. All right, so the final emoji on our list here is going to be this blue stuff right here. Click on it and it's going to load up, and as you can see, we got our 1 mana. Click claim reward, and that's going to be it. Okay, you guys, see you guys in the next video, probably tomorrow. Have a wonderful day and peace out.